jab, right, jab, get my body back, jab, back on the feet, jab, right front of foot, jab, 3, jab, hook, jab, jab, 5, jab, 3, jab, 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 kick, jab, jab, hook, check.
I need as much protection. I need as much protection. I need as much protection. Thanks for that, Bob. Jab, jab, one shot. Jab. Jab, come back in. Jab, 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 eight, jab, kick, jab, straight hook, jab, 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 that's the end of it. Big round of applause for Kell Brook, please. I'd just like to say before we finish, you know, he's been a great ambassador for the sport of boxing, Kell Brook in Sheffield. He's put Sheffield back on the map since teaming up with Eddie. For the last 5 or 6 years, there's been some great fights. Hopefully, on March the 3rd, there's going to be another big fight, and we're going to get another year or 2 years out of him in big fights for the city, and hopefully more titles. So your support is welcome, it's appreciated, and thanks for turning up today for Kell Brook. Thank you.